If you watched one of my last videos, the Vintage Orchard, where I did a design team project for the graphics fairy, you know how inspired I was by the orange orchards. And so this kit, the apiarist, comes on the tail end of that. If you've ever been to an orange orchard, you know that there are these little white delicate petaled flowers and they're orange blossoms, and all oranges grow from these blossoms. And so that's how this kit came about. It is about the bumblebees that swarm around the orange blossoms. I am, as I've told you guys before, completely mortified, terrified, just in like stone-like fear of bugs. Any kind of bugs, especially flying bugs. But one of my fondest memories was playing out in my backyard when I was little and having bumblebees around. And for some reason, I felt a peacefulness around them. Wasps are a different story, but bumblebees have always brought me so much joy. And so this kit is born from that joy of just remembering the days where I was running around the backyard pretending that I was a princess or a beauty queen or whatever else I was doing, or maybe a gymnast. I always loved the ribbon twirling gymnast. And so that's where the heart of this kit lies. I thought I'd make this video a little different for those of you that love fussy cutting like I do. And this is how I prepped my kit and how I cut out all the borders, then fussy cut all the images, and then put them in my acrylic bin. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.